My name's Patricia Augustus. I work at MS Research Australia. I'm the Head of Marketing, Communications and Operations. I came today because I just wanted to have a refresher on good practice, interview skills and the processes involved, just to reassess what we're doing in our organisation.
You are going to participate. We're going to talk and have conversations about things. And what I'd really love to do is make sure that you get the opportunity to ask those questions and to have those conversations with your peers and with me about, well, this is our problem, this is our challenge, how do we solve it?
I think no matter how long you've been in recruitment for, it's really good for you to kind of go back to basics. So it's been really valuable to have a bit of an overview and pick up on a couple of things which I've probably forgotten over the last few years.
Making the candidates feel at ease and relaxed and able to talk and just be themselves and be honest and open about who they are and what they're about, because it's only when you really do that can you get to know the right person.
One of the key takeaways I took from today was that I'm not the only one that struggles with recruiting. There definitely is something to learn new every time because best practice always changes, and also the candidates that we source are changing as well.
Really enjoyed the training today. This Recruitment and Selections Essential courses has opened our eyes to a whole heap of new practices that we can implement in our organisation.
I would really recommend the Recruitment and Selections Essentials workshop for anybody looking to brush up on their recruitment skills.
Taken a lot away from today, and it's really great to know that Beaumont is here to support us as well.
For more information, call us or visit our website beaumontpeople.com.au.